welcome. In front of me I have the Moto G31 from Motorola, obviously, and today I'll go over unboxing along with the overview of this phone. Now, overview will be really quick. So yeah, I just pop it open. No, did it fully open? No, it did not. There we go. Not the most fun experience of like opening this up. Should have been a little bit more easier. Anyway, in here we got the phone. It's already in a case, typical of Motorola fashion. And underneath here, what do we get? We get some paperwork, so I'm not even gonna go into this. We get a charger, which is a surprise. Though, based on the weight, I have a feeling that this is like a 15-watt charger. Oh no, never mind, it's a 10-watt charger. Wow, whoopsie-doo. Pretty sure majority of us have a better charger at home from an older device. So this is just a waste, like literal waste. Then we get a Type C to Type A charging cable. Nothing really special. And that's it. So let's rip that off. There we go. And let's power it on. So while it's going to be powering on, I'm going to quickly go over the specs of it. We're looking at a 6.4-inch display with 1080p resolution, precisely 1080 by 2400. It's a AMOLED display, which is actually a surprise here. And no additional like high refresh rate, none of that like cool blink here. We do also on the back have a 15 megapixel camera as a main sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro. So technically we only get 2 because, let's be honest, no one will be using a 2 megapixel macro when it's being outperformed by the 50 megapixel. So that's the camera setup, and at the front we got a 13 megapixel wide sensor. So here we go. I'm gonna actually take off the case right here so you can get a look at the device without it. Okay, so it has a plasticky, like this weird fake brush aluminum feel to it, or look. Though on the camera I can't really catch it because the design of it, the plastic, which like I said I can't catch, kind of goes around the cameras. It has like this round pattern. So yeah, it is totally out of plastic, which makes it feel super cheap. And to be fair, this device isn't most expensive. It costs about 200 euros, so it is on the budget side. And with that budget side, you also get a Helio G85 processor, so nothing really special here. 4 gigabytes of RAM. There is no alternative for more RAM. And in terms of storage, we are looking at 64 gigabytes or 128. And I believe it probably will be expandable using an storage. Let's see. Oh, come on, let it go. There we go. So yeah, we have a SD card and SIM card tray. Obviously the SD card is double for also a SIM card if you want to use 2 of those. So yeah, that's basically most of the most important information. It's also rocking a 5000 mAh battery with a puny charger. So yeah, it feels like this device is a little bit having a little bit of an identity crisis because it is trying to be like budget, and it has like basically plastic design, but then in terms of looks it also adds an AMOLED display for it. It's a little bit weird to me, and this doesn't even look like a super impressive AMOLED display, though it gets bright. For comparison, I literally did an unboxing of the Poco M4, and this costs more. Mind you, the processor will be better on the Poco, but damn, the brightness is just laughable. Here it's doing just fine. So yeah, not much more to say about this device. It's just a mediocre, I would say, budget device. Would probably like to see higher refresh rate or better processor instead of the AMOLED display at this price range. I don't care that much for the actual like AMOLED display when I'm looking at a budget device. So that's just my opinion, and I'm pretty sure majority of other people would probably agree that they would prefer to have a more powerful device rather than a prettier display for this price range. If the price doesn't change, substitute this for just an IPS LCD and slap a better processor. That's kind of what I would like in this. Other than that, this phone just kind of doesn't really fit anywhere in my opinion. But yeah. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.